This tutorial will guide you through the process of skipping ads on YouTube while using a smart TV remote. When an ad plays, keep an eye out for the skip ad button. This button usually appears after a few seconds into the ad. It is typically located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you see the skip ad button, use your remote control to navigate the button. Press the OK or Enter button on your remote to skip the ad. If you're quick enough, you can bypass the ad and get back to your video. In cases where the ad is non-skippable, you just have to wait for the ads to finish the video. If you are not a fan of ads, I prefer you subscribe to YouTube Premium for an ad-free experience. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.